job, Chief. Job.
The rider handed over a ticket instead of his license. From here, it looks like an MMDA ticket, which means his license wouldn't have been confiscated. He should still have it. It did take quite a long time, but eventually the rider handed over his license to the enforcer. And now they're just waiting on the ORCR, which it looks like it just brought out now.
Sniper? Sniper na itim, sniper na itim. Naka-helmet din na itim.
Naka-white mags, naka-white mags. Yan, naka-isa, naka-isa.
Ito. Ayan, sir. Para, naka-brown na jacket, white helmet.
Parang rouser eh. Rouser ba?
What's that? Ito na yung damit.
Gilitan ng paso eh. Nasa likod ng puti na Nissan. Yan na. Yan na, sumasakit sa kanan, sumasakit sa kanan. Parang yan.
Sa likod ng bus.
Ayan. Inmax. Inmax na itim, naka-t-shirt na itim. Bababa na. Yan, nasa likod naman. Yan.
Honda Click na red.
Honda Click, kulit ko na. Ayan na, yan.
Ayun, meron na.